All right, Sean said, I'd love some feedback on my homepage. Great. Okay, well, we'll do a little screen share and we're going to take a look at this. Sean, how you holding up out there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Good, good. Okay.
I know that there's a new caregiver coming in today at 1 o'clock.
Oh, is there
All right.
some noise in the background?
So, um, do you think it's going to be like around 2 o'clock? Because
Uh, I'm sorry, there's some noise, somebody in the background. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let me just go over this. So Sean, so just on my page anyways, this doesn't look great, just aesthetically. So bunched into the middle. Uh, okay, here we go. Let's start with this. So you do not have to be good at music theory or even know how to read music to write your own songs and play and sing with these. Okay, I would do a little wording change on this, Sean, because we kind of have a sense, but I would probably say it like this. Um, so instead of, okay, so just as it's subtle, but like this, you do not have to be good at music theory or even know how to read music. It doesn't strike me, it's not relevant to me right away because I don't know what we're talking about yet. But you're
right.
all helping them write their songs and play and sing. That's so to me, that's got to be the very first thing
Okay.
on the yeah. Gain confidence in your ability to play the songs you've always wanted and let go of the anxiety that starts creeping in every time you think about your music. Um, great. For years, I wanted to sing and for years you've wanted to sing and play your own music that sounds authentic and from the heart, but you might have fallen into these traps, comparing yourself to professional musicians or pop stars, thinking I'll never get there, feeling restricted with mainstream conventional music education, or bursting with creative ideas but not having access to the right tools to express what you feel from the inside. You've realized there has to be a better way to learn. Um, I don't know. Have they realized that? That I would question that they've realized that at all. You may have tried these resources to teach yourself. Right. Okay, this is great. By the way, for everyone, this is a great thing to have on your homepage. Just acknowledging what else they've already tried, because that is part of the relevance. That's part of what will have them see themselves there. Right. So free tabs, expensive camps, conventional non-personalized classes, paid DIY, online DIY video lessons, self-study programs, etc. Right. But they haven't motivated you or helped you make meaningful and lasting progress. This font is so small, I'm just finding it hard to read. And they sure haven't gotten you into the groove of fluently creating and sharing music that brings tears to people's eyes. I love that. I think that, man, that's too small. That brings tears to people's eyes.
Yeah, that needs to be big, actually.
Yeah, I agree. Testimonial, right? The reason why things haven't been clicking or this is too small. This text is way too small. Why things haven't been clicking or resonating with you is because the conventional way of learning is rigid, dry, and intellectual and doesn't nurture creativity. Music in ancient cultures was primarily taught through oral tradition and has a different way of connecting with our brain, mind, and heart. Are you saying that oral tradition has a different way of connecting?
Yeah.
Okay, that the it is not
Okay.
clear.
Right.
So hi, I'm Sean, singer-songwriter. Okay, again, this font is very small for me right now. Singer-songwriter based in Sutherland, Oregon. I work with people all over the world. You've been wanting guitar, ukulele, or singing lessons, or a combination for a long time. You're in the right place. Nurture your creativity from the get-go is how I roll. I'll guide you to get that song finished and help you fall in love with the So that's a key also. Get that song finished. I feel like I want to see that bigger and higher somewhere.
Okay.
Great. Here's what students have to say. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, look at this. And then you gotta beautiful ways I can help you. There we go. Here's what it is. Songwriting lessons, singing lessons, guitar and ukulele lessons. 15-minute trial, right? Check it out. Beautiful. That's what I've got for you today.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Sean.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, man.